can be some times where you might run into problems or for some reason your 360 camera is not working. So number one, you first want to make sure two things. Your camera is charged and you have a micro SD card, inside of it. So if your camera is charged, then you should be good to go. So you can go through and you can basically just, plop in your particular device here, and you should be good to go for the most part. But occasionally you might run into a problem where it's just not working. So if you're in a problem where it's just not working no matter what you do, then the biggest thing you want to basically do here is to go through and just make sure that your device is charged up. So plug in your particular device to the charger, make sure it's charged up that way. That's going to be one of the biggest things you can do here. On top of that, make sure you do have a micro SD card built inside of your device. So sometimes you might have to just go through and put in a micro SD card inside of your device. That's another very easy thing. As you can see, you'll just have to find, you'll have to put in your micro SD card that way, and hopefully that will end up fixing the problem for you as well, because sometimes that can be another really big problem that's going to end up causing you the big issue there too. So those are the main things. Again, as long as your device is charged up and it's ready to go, that's going to be one of the biggest things to keep in mind there for the most part.